This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening, everyone, guys.
Good evening.
So I
Good
see there
evening.
are few people. Yeah, good evening.
Hello.
I see there are few people who are starting their course from today. So, anyways, I will start everything from the beginning. So, myself, Vikash, I'm working as a senior software engineer in a healthcare company. So, with respect to my IT experience, I have 7+ years of IT experience. When it comes to a part of training, so I'm being part of QSPARDIS as a trainer from past 7 years. I do handle Java, Advanced Java, AngularJS, C++, data structure, and web services. So these are the courses I do handle in QSPidus. I handle batches for US and UK as well in the online training. So from past 3+ years, I'm handling the online training for US and UK batches, and I do work as a corporate trainer for L&T and Wipro as well. So this is what my small introduction is all about. So for your course, I will be handling Java, and when it comes to a Selenium, it will be handled by a different faculty. Oppa, I see there are a few people who have joined today. I would like to get you introduce. Okay, so just tell me what are your expectations, what you are looking for, how many years of experience you are having in a respective or your current domain. Sure. One by one, you can just introduce yourself.
Okay, I can go first. My name is Shailaja, and I have been working with Perficient for almost around 3 years now, and I am totally into manual testing. So I was wondering if there is a possibility for me to move ahead to automation, and hence the thought of Selenium. But I'm not too sure about the programming languages because y- I mean I have learned as a course in my college long ago, but I'm not too confident. So I thought let me give it a try if it is even possible for me or not. That's why I'm here.
Okay, fine. Yes, so anyone else can go ahead.
Yeah, I guess I can go next. My name is Masood Rana, and it's been more than 8 years I've been doing QA. Currently, I'm working for IBM, and
Yeah,
so
please.
uh, I'm doing manual automation and API all, but automation I've been doing using UFT. But however, the
Okay,
technology has been changing now. I think it's the time to switch over to Selenium, and I'm personally interested as well.
okay,
So that's the reason planning to put some of my time in Selenium to enhance my resume and my career opportunity as well. So at the meantime, looking for new opportunities now, trying to get in Infosys or the Wipro, maybe more likely in the Infosys, I guess.
okay, cool, cool. Yes. Next.
Um, Hi, I'm Bhavna. I'm a graduate student. Recently graduated from Indiana State University. So I applied for my OPT. So I thought, like, for the beginning, I'll just go with the testing and later see where I can see myself. Yeah, that's it. So,
Okay,
for Java, it's like a brush up for me, and I'm a computer science student. It's just a brush up, and I just then later I can move to Selenium. Yeah, yeah, that's it.
cool. Okay. Next, anyone would like to introduce themselves? Okay. So as I look in, like everyone are here to learn automation along for your upgradation, for your job change, or to start with your career with. Yes. And you people are also having some doubt that is it possible for me to understand a programming language because I left programming in my schooling or in my colleges or somewhere long back, and my life was completely in manual. And is it possible for me to learn this programming language, or is it possible for me to do automation? Yes, I do talk about that. Okay, guys. See, so this is the course which will help you to understand automation, which will help you to understand automation. So to learn automation, you need two things: programming language and the automation tool. Okay, so we need two things. One is programming language and another one is automation tool. So the programming language. When it comes to a programming language, it can be any programming language. It can be Java, it can be C Sharp, it can be Ruby, it can be Python, it can be C++, and the list goes on. Okay, so any programming language can be used to automate. Along with that, we need a respective tool for automation. It might be Selenium, or it might be QTP, or it might be any other tools. Okay, so some companies have their own tools, so any of the tool can be used for automation along with the programming language. Along with the programming language. Without programming language, you can never automate anything. Okay, so there is a programming language called as Scala, there is a programming language called as Swift. Okay, so many things are had. Okay, so to learn automation, we need two things. What are those? One is programming language, and one more is a tool. So now, so you people have a question. What's programming? I don't know anything in programming. I don't have any basic knowledge about programming. Is it possible for me to learn with zero knowledge on programming? Yes. If you have a 0% knowledge on programming, it's well and good. Okay? Why? Because here we start each and everything from the basics. Okay? So each and everything will be started from the basics, from the installation of the software, setting the path, everything is going to be taught in the class. Okay? So here, you need not to have any basic knowledge on Java or C or C++ or any other programming language. So if you are very pretty new for the programming language as well, you will be able to understand. But you need to have a dedication. You need to have a hungerness to learn the language. If you have these two, okay, yes, of course, you are in the right place to learn the programming language. So if you don't have a dedication, if you don't have a hungerness that you want to learn the language, then this is not the place. It's simply a waste of time for you to do this. Okay. So from your side, I'm expecting two things. One is the dedication, and one more is the hungerness to learn something. If you have these two, yes, of course, you can learn it. If you don't have any one of these, then it is waste. Okay, so better you not join the course. That is what I tell you. Okay, so if you have that urge, if you have the dedication, if you have that hungerness to learn, and if you want to learn, yes, you can do that. You can learn it. It's not at all a big deal. It's not at all a big deal. And one more thing, I tell you, automation is very, 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 very easy than your manual testing. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, hope you guys know the difficulties of driving a manual car in a traffic area and driving an automatic car in a traffic area, right? So initially to learn the automatic car, you might feel quite here and there, like you might have questions like how to put a brake, okay, fine, but down the line, yes, you feel automatic is far, far, far better, far, far easy to drive in the traffic when compared to a manual, right? Yes, in your life, when it comes to a testing, okay, manual is complex, manual is hard, automation is easy, automation is cool. Okay, so that is the reason lot of industries are moving towards automation nowadays. Every company want to automate their applications rather than going with the manual. There's a concept called as CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous delivery. Every company is looking on top of that. So they want to go with continuous integration and continuous delivery. Okay, so that is the reason there is a lot of scope for an automation. When it comes to a programming language, we are going to work or we are going to understand Java. Okay, when it comes to a tool, we are going to understand Selenium, Java and Selenium. Java is going to be handled by me, it is Vikas, and your Selenium will be handled by a different faculty. Okay, next, you guys understanding Java and Selenium is well and good. Along with that, you need to work on a project. So which will give you a hands-on experience or hands-on idea or practical knowledge on the tool. In this project, you are going to write a script using Java and then you are going to automate an application using a Selenium tool. So you will be working on the project so that you will get a practical idea and a knowledge, and also you will get a grip how to automate an application. Clear? So in the project class, you will be asked to work on an application. There will be our team members who will assist you, who will guide you, who will track what exactly you are doing, and they will help you to automate the given application. Okay, so this project will give you a lot of knowledge and idea, okay,
बल्ब लगेगा
about how exactly you can
फ्यूज
automate the things. Clear? Fine. Then, then there will be a mock test, so which everyone has to attend it. So there will be a mock test on Java. There will be a mock test on Selenium plus Java, and there will be a mock test on your project. Okay, so once you complete Java, so there will be a mock test. Once you complete your Selenium, there will be a mock test on Selenium and Java, and there will be a mock test once you complete your project. Okay, guys, if you want to speak, unmute your mic and speak. If you're not speaking, just mute your speakers, mute your mic. Sorry, not speakers, mute your mic. Okay, please assure that you have muted your mics. Okay, because it will be disturbing others. Okay, so Java, there will be a mock test, then on Selenium, there will be a mock test, and in the project, there will be a mock test. So once after the mock test, if you require any job assistance, we are going to help you to get an interview. So we'll help you to get an interview across the globe. Okay, so we have working for many countries. So we have a company called as Testentra where we work, okay, in placing the candidates across the globe. But for this, you should have a respective country working visa. Again, I'm telling you, respective country working visa. If you want to go for UK and if you don't have a working visa, no, we can't help you out. If you have a working visa, okay, then we are going to help you in getting the interviews, and clearing the interview is your responsibility. And again, I tell you, we don't provide any job, we provide interviews. Clearing interviews, it's your responsibility. To clear the interview, what are all the knowledge, what are all the questions you need to prepare with, what is the idea you should have with, will be shared to you guys in the class. So attend the classes regularly, don't miss the classes. If at all, at the worst cases, if you miss the class, you are going to take up a recorded session or a recorded video from our team, and you have to go through that session completely before attending the next session. So make sure, guys, whenever you miss a session, please collect the recording, please view the recording, and attend the next session. Without attending a previous session, whichever you have missed, please don't attend the next session. Okay, so this is all about the outer picture of your course, like what is going to happen here with respect to Java. So you will also undergo a programming session, like where you will be learning how to write a programs that is going to be asked in the interview. In the interview, they will ask you write a program to add two numbers, write a program to find whether the given number is prime or not, write a program to find a factorial, write a program to find whether it is a palindrome or not. All these programs will be asked in the interview. Okay, so this programming will be covered in your Java session. Okay, so your Java will take around 20 to 25 days to complete. Similarly, your automation will also take around 20 to 25 days to get completed. Means your Selenium. Okay, fine. So then you will be working on a project. So your project, you'll be given a task and you'll be trained. Then you are going to work on a project under the guidance of our team. Okay. When it comes to an automation, guys, this is an application. Till now, you used to do a manual testing where you used to go and click the button. Okay, you used to go and click on some link and you used to validate what is happening. But now what you will do, you will write a script. You will write a script. Your script will go and press the button. Your script will go and press the link and it is going to automate. This script will be written on top of Java. Using what? Selenium 2. That is what your automation is all about. So now we want to learn how to write a script. To write a script, we need to understand one of the programming language, that is Java. Okay, to understand the Java, you need not to have any basic knowledge of any of the programming knowledge. If you are a fresh mind, if you don't know anything with respect to Java, that is good. Okay, it is pretty good, I tell you. It is pretty good. If you are having a knowledge of Java, no issue. That's okay. Okay, if you don't have a knowledge on Java, it's pretty good. Why? Because we will start everything from the basics. Okay, clear? So do you have any doubt or any questions, guys? So you can just ask me. So what are the things going to be covered in Java? You need not to worry about it. I will tell you. Okay, but this is the outer picture of the course and what is going to happen even after the course and in the project. And now we are going to help you to get you an interview. Okay, so if you have any other questions or any doubts, or if you want to ask something, yes, please go ahead. But before asking, please unmute your mics. No problem, it might be a simple question or a complex question, or it might be a silly question. Few people think my question is silly, how to ask it. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so just ask and clear whatever the doubts you have. Never carry forward your doubts to our next session. Okay, so please clear your doubts on spot. Do any one of you have any questions or any concern?
Yeah, I got a quick question. Not sure that you have covered it or not. Besides Selenium and Java, what else are you going to cover in this course?
Okay, so this course is completely related to automation. Okay, so we are going to cover Java and Selenium. In Java, like we have all the concepts going to be covered along with programming. When it comes to Selenium, all the concepts along with that you will be working on the project. Okay, so this is what we are going to cover. This is the automation course. So there is nothing extra required for automation or needed, and although we are going to cover it. This is what you are.
So
Are you clear?
yeah, I'm
Okay.
talking respective like Appium, then you have JUnit and some other performance tools as well, which is like uh, some
Okay.
trainers they offer the course related knowledge as well. So that's the thing that I'm trying to ask.
Correct. So JUnit, QTP, okay. So APM, web service testing, API testing, they are the different wings. Okay. So they doesn't come into this course. Okay, they are the different course. We have a different course for API testing. We have a different course for mobile or Android device testing, we have a different course for QTP. So JUnit, when it comes to a JUnit, it is completely related to our development. Okay, so unit test, so whatever they write, right? So that is completely related. Uh, what I can call it comes under white boxing testing. White box testing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that is what all about. So that comes under a completely a different course. Okay, that is not going to be included in this.
So how about CI/CD process? Are you going to give a overview about
CI/CD,
it?
of course, yes, exactly. So you will be coming across Jenkins, SVN. Okay, yeah, these things will be covered. This is much required. Okay, this is the part of your things which you should be knowing when you are going to an industry as an automation test engineer. Okay, so what are all the things you require for an industry to go as an automated test engineer? So all those things will be covered. Jenkins, how to trigger a Jenkins, how to push the code in the SVN, how to get the code from the SVN, how to trigger the Jenkins, how to set up a Jenkins. All these things will be covered. You need not to worry about that part.
Okay. It would be okay. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Hey, no, no. You ask me. Yeah, what is this?
I'm fine, I guess. I got my answer.
Okay.
Thank you.
So anyone else has any question? Yeah, guys, yeah, you need not to feel me as your teacher or your trainer or anything like that. You can just feel me as your friend. Okay, just chill out. Okay, don't, okay, complex yourself. Okay, thinking that, okay, how to speak with him. Okay, just chill out. Okay, just trigger, pop out your questions as you feel. Okay, I will be very happy to answer your questions. If it is silly, I don't even care for it. Okay, I will answer your silly doubts, silly questions also. Okay, so please feel free to ask the questions. Please feel comfortable, okay, in the session as well. Okay, any other questions, guys?
No, I'm good for now.
By the way, how long is the course?
Every day or total? So every day
Total.
there will be 1 hour of session. So
Mm-hmm.
the sessions might be around 20 to 25 for Java. Again, 20 to 25 sessions for automation. It might increase like another, you can keep +5, okay? But this is what the rough figure is all about. It goes how the class goes on. Like, so sometimes like people have here and there doubts, so I have to clear and proceed it. So which might increase or else, yeah,
And how long,
that
like total?
around 20 to 25 sessions. So from
Okay.
today, if you start, so just leave Saturdays and Sundays and calculate 25 days. So then for Selenium, leave again Saturday, Sundays and calculate plus 25 days. So total course might go around 50 to 60 sessions. That is 50 to 60 days,
So is it Monday to Friday or
Monday
Monday?
to Friday.
Okay.
Yes, it's Monday
And
to Friday.
Is it like Indian Standard Time or Eastern Standard Time?
It is US Standard Time.
Indian Standard Time. Oh, okay.
US.
So, okay.
So
Oh,
yeah, yeah. So you are from US, right? So anyone from India here?
no, I'm from US.
Yeah. Because this is US batch, so I was just thinking like anyone joined from India. So no, fine. Yeah, it will be respect to US standard time. Okay, everything is with respect to US only. So okay, you need not to worry about it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So in Indian timing, if there's a class on Friday, and that would be like Thursday for me, so I don't have class on Friday, right?
So, of course, you will be having your class on. See, I tell you, all your Thursday will be Friday in India.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you will be having a session.
Mm-hmm.
Your Friday will be a Saturday in India. You will
Mm-hmm.
be having a session. Okay, I'm talking with respect to US.
Oh,
On Monday, US Monday, you will be having a session. On US Tuesday, on US Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you will be having a session. You don't worry about Indian timings. Okay, it will be completely based on
mm-hmm.
US.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
So
Clear?
Yeah.
I got one more question.
Yeah,
So as you're saying, if we miss a class, we have to contact to the faculties or someone from the team and has to get the recordings in order to join
correct.
the next class. So is there
Correct.
any way to have the recording available for any time that, you know, like maybe during the day I'm practicing and or during the weekend I'm practicing but I miss something. I can take a look to the video and recall it properly. Is there any way or
Exactly. Yes, good point to bring up. So every day they will share you the recording. Okay,
okay. Okay.
so they'll share you the recording. You can just go through that recording.
So is
Okay.
it storing somewhere in the central like Google
Yes,
Drive or something like that?
yes, it will be in the repo, like where you, but you can't view it offline. It has to be viewed online.
I'm sorry, I'm a little confused about offline and online system. Is it
Off, Offline in the sense, like for example, if you don't have an internet connection
uh-huh.
or internet, you can't view the video. If you
Mhm.
have an internet, yeah, of course you can view it. It's just like watching on YouTube.
Okay. So is it possible to download or download is restricted?
Download is restricted. You can't download.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, yeah,
I have one more question.
sure.
Do we have class on Saturday and Sunday too?
No,
Okay.
generally no. Okay. So yeah, I do understand like a lot of people you are working and you have your plans on weekends. So generally there will be no classes, so you need not to worry about it. Okay, but
Okay.
you can
Hello.
reach out. Yeah, yeah,
Hello.
yeah. Tell me.
Yes, hi. So I wanted to know, can there be a time change if possible?
Okay.
I mean, I'm just
Gen
asking.
Generally there will be no time change uh, of because this is the time slot
Mm-hmm.
which has been fixed and because on this time slots like everyone are dependent, so I think it's quite
Right.
difficult to change the time. So do you have any concern with the time?
Yes, I do. Like, yeah, 8 to 9 is not really a good time for me. It was really hard for me to come at this time. But I mean, I am interested in it. That's why I managed to come around this time. But
Okay,
yeah.
yeah, it's quite difficult to get change with the time because like you are telling this is too early because you are in daylight
Uh,
saving I think now, right?
no, no. I'm in US. It is like it's too late. 8 to 9. That's why I wanted to have like something in the morning.
Oh, something in the morning. So
Yes.
you can check with the team that is there any morning US morning batches running.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
so they might help you out. So or else if you can manage
Mm-hmm.
for some days, I think you can just go ahead with this. Hope
Mm-hmm.
you can manage like if you try somehow like right.
Okay. All
Just
right.
have a look into that.
Thanks.
Yeah,
That's all, I guess.
okay, cool. Yeah, any other question, guys? Okay, cool guys. So, uh, to start with Java, guys, we should be knowing few things about Java. A very small things, or I will give you a very, very small history of Java. I don't want to talk about history because I'm not a social science teacher to talk much about the history, and I don't want you to get bored up of these theoretical things. Okay, so Java is one of the programming language came into existence in 1996. Okay, so the first name given to this programming language was Green Talk. Green Talk. But the Green Talk was the name already registered, so they failed to register this programming language with Green Talk. Second time they went with a name called as Oak. Okay, even Oak was registered, they were not able to register it, they came back. So then they were scratching their head to give a name for this programming language. One of the guy from the team noticed one beautiful board on a coffee shop which they were regularly visiting. And that coffee shop name was Java. That coffee shop name was Java. So this name for the programming language got derived from the coffee shop. Okay, they went for registration, they registered this name. Okay, and from then on, this programming language was named as Java. So there is no abbreviation for Java. J stands for something, A stands for something, V stands for something, nothing. It's just a word, okay? And there is no abbreviation to it, and it is the name derived from coffee shop. Okay. So if anyone asks you what is Java, don't tell them it is the name of the coffee shop. Okay. So but the name came from coffee shop. What you have to tell for Java, I will tell you later. Okay. So Java is the name given to the programming language. So Java has many versions available in the market. So we have Java 1, it is nothing but 1.1. So similarly in current market, we have Java 11, that is 1.11. This is the current version available in the market. To develop any Java program, we need a beautiful software called as JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit. Okay, so we need a software that is JDK, Java Development Kit. So we have a different versions of JDK available in the market. JDK 1.1, JDK 1.2, similarly JDK 1.11. So this is nothing but Java 1. If people tell Java 1, it is nothing but JDK 1.1. If people tell Java 2, it is nothing but JDK 1.2. If people tell Java 11, it is nothing but JDK 1.11. If people tell Java 5, it is nothing but JDK 1.5. Okay, it is the version of the software. Okay, so these are the different versions available in the market. So what is our first step? Our first step is to install the software into our machine. Okay, first how to install? We shall see that. Where to get the software from? We shall see that. Okay, for our course, we can go with JDK 1.8. I'll tell you why. So we have different versions of JDK available. Okay, in that 1.2, 1.5, 1.8 are the major versions. Other are minor versions. Clear? So you need not to worry about the minor versions. Yeah, of course, if you want, you can just go ahead and download the minor version. No one can stop you by that. But 1.8 should be fine for us. Clear, but don't go below 1.8. 1.8 is good. Okay. Now, the first thing is you should be knowing which version of the JDK you need to download. Okay. First, you should check your operating system. Okay. Operating system. OS. Is it Windows or is it Mac? You need to check that. So then if it is Windows, what is the bit of operating system? Is it 32 or 64-bit? Is it a 32-bit operating machine or is it a 64-bit operating machine? How to get this? Windows people, right click on My Computer option, or you might be having option called as This PC. Right click on it and select Properties. You will come to know which is your operating system. Okay, that you can select. Okay, if possible, show you in the PPT. Okay, yes. Okay, so you just click or right click on a computer option and select properties. You will see which is your operating machine. Is it 64-bit or is it a 32-bit? Okay, then let's go and download JDK 1.8. Okay, so you can find this link on a chat window. Okay, yes. Guys, can everyone join with me? You can just install the JDK software so that from tomorrow we can start writing a program. So we shall install a JDK software and keep it in our machine so that it will help us. So click on download. It will download. Before downloading, please click on this accept a license agreement. Okay, click on accept license agreement. Then check if it is a Mac, you click on this JDK 8mu201. If it is Windows 32-bit, you should click on Windows 8SX. If it is a Windows 32-bit, So Windows 32, please click on Windows 86. Those who are using Windows 64-bit, please click on this Windows Cross 64. 32-bit people, Windows Cross 86. Okay. So everyone need to download this software into your machines. So you can just download it. My document is pretty old here. I had downloaded 64-bit, okay, long back. But the things are same. Today we downloaded JDK 8, so accepting the license agreement, we have to accept it. Okay, and then click on the link, whatever it is. So if we choose OS is 32-bit, then select Windows Cross 86. Is the download completed? And for anyone, is it still downloading? So download got completed for everyone. So now you can go to your downloaded file. Okay, just double click. You might find one icon like this. Okay, Mac people, in your downloaded file, you will find one DMG file. Okay, just double click on the DMG file. Things will get installed. You need not to worry about it. Mac people, so those who are using a Mac, you will be having a JDK file, that is a .dmg file in your downloaded folder. Just double click on it. Everything gets installed for you. So Windows people, you have a downloaded exe file. Just double click on it and you will find a multiple pop-ups like this. Please keep on pressing next, 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 install, finish. Keep on pressing next. You need not to do anything. Don't do any changes, anything. Nothing is required. Just keep on pressing next, 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 next. At last, you will find a close button or a finish button. Just click on it. If you are facing any problem, please let me know, guys. So let it get installed. Okay. So we need one more software, that is Eclipse. So we shall download that software as well. I will share you the link. You don't worry about it. Okay. I have shared you the link of Eclipse. You can open that. In this, you can see Windows. Windows people, click on this. Mac people, you can click on this. There are two links, download links. So based on your Windows machines or your Mac machine or Linux machine, just click on the respective links. Okay. It will take you to the next page. Then there will be one download button. Click on that download button. It will download automatically. Okay. Windows 32-bit people also need not to worry. Just click on the same link. What you are seeing here, Windows, right? So same thing you can use. No worries. Okay. All Windows people use the first link. All Mac people use the second link. Linux people use the third link. It will download. The link to this page is sent on the chat window. Okay. Is the installation completed for everyone? Is there anyone still installing? Or is there anyone for installation is pending?
And still my one is ongoing.
Still going on.
Oh, cool, cool. Yeah, it takes some time for some machines, and some machines it will be pretty fast. So just double click. In some machines it will install like anything, but some machines it takes time. No issues. Let's wait for 2 more minutes, guys. So by that time, if you have any questions or any doubts, you can ask. So let everyone get it installed. So next part is we need to set up path. So we shall do the path setting as well. Meanwhile, keep your Eclipse to download. Okay. So don't wait. So keep your Eclipse to download. Let it get downloaded. Masood and Shailaja, once your download gets completed, just notify me. Okay. Because only you two people are waiting for it.
Sure.
So anyone,
Eclipse is getting downloaded now.
yeah, JDK is installed.
Yes.
Yeah, my JDK is installed as well.
Masood, it got completed or it's installing?
Complete.
Complete? Cool, cool. So anyone else still pending? Cool. Okay. I'm sorry, guys, I don't have a Windows machine, or else I would have shown you on my machine itself. But yeah, pretty sure I will help you out in setting the path. No worries. Okay, go to your C drive. A Mac people, your installation is done. You need not to do anything. Only Windows people need to set a path. Mac people, path will be set automatically. Don't worry. Windows people, go to C drive.
So can I still do that even though Eclipse is not yet downloaded?
Yes, yes, yes. Eclipse is not required.
Oh,
This
okay.
Eclipse is a different tool.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry. Let Eclipse download. Aram se. Don't
Okay.
worry.
Okay.
Everyone go to C drive. Get into programs, program files folder.
Not 86, right?
Not 86. Program files.
Okay.
And inside that there is one folder called as Java.
Okay.
Inside that there is one more folder called as JDK. Again repeating, guys, JDK folder, not JRE folder. JDK folder. Please get into JDK folder.
Mm-hmm.
So inside that there is one more folder by the name bin, 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 B for Bengal, B for ball, bin. Get into that bin folder.
I think I lost you at the Java folder itself. I
Okay,
don't
are
even
you
find the Java folder under program files.
okay? Come back.
I'm I'm in C and program files.
Okay, come back to
And
C drive.
okay.
So is there program files
Oh,
86 folder?
yeah. I went to the other one.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now I see Java.
Inside
JDK
that,
1.8.
correct. Get into that JDK folder.
Okay.
So there is one more folder called as bin.
Yes.
Get into that bin folder.
Yeah.
Okay. So now if you look into my screen, so on the top, if you just click, entire path can be selected up till bin.
Okay.
Select that full path. It should be C, program files, Java, JDK / bin. That complete path.
Yeah.
Okay. Copy that path.
Okay.
Copied? Okay.
Yeah.
Relax. Now don't do anything. Okay. So anyone facing any problem? Everyone are able to reach this place?
So far, so good.
Yes. If anyone else has having any problem, you can just let me know, guys. Okay. Now, you people can open any folder, like, okay, or yeah, any folder you can just open. On your right, can you see my computer or this PC, or there will be your name? Below that, there will be C drive, D drive, E drive, and all. Above, there will be a name. This PC or my computer, or it will be your name. Are you able to see that?
Yeah, this PC.
Right click
Yeah.
on this PC or my computer, right click on it,
Mm-hmm.
select properties.
Okay.
Okay. So now you can see one window, and on your right there is something called as advanced system settings.
Yep.
Click on it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on guys. Is there anyone facing any problem till now? Everyone are able to click on properties and click on advanced system settings. Okay, so now there is one more button called as environment variables. Click on it, environment variables. So now a new pop-up opened. There you can see two things. One is user variables and system variables. You can see two things. One is user variables, one more is system variables. Now, under system variables, can you find a new button? Just click on the new button. Okay, hold on now. Hold on, everyone hold on. Is there anyone using Windows 7 here? Anyone using Windows 7?
I don't think so.
Cool, no one. Okay, so now Windows 8, Windows 10 people, you have one button called as add. Click on it.
Uh, like clicking on the new button or the add button?
No, after you click the new, there is one more add button, right?
No, there is a new pop-up came up which is asking for new system variables. Insert the variable name and the variable's value. Then
Okay, then
below
super.
that,
Okay, fine. You hold on. Okay. Then in some of the upgraded versions of 8 and 10, the option is quite different. Okay, I'll tell you. Yes, variable name and value, you are in the right place. So others, you click on the add button, and now variable value, type as path, P-A-T-H, P capital, A capital, T capital, H capital, path.
is the value or the
Name is path.
okay.
Now come to the value section and do paste option because you have already copied the path. The path has to be pasted here. Variable name is path. variable value is your JDK path. So once you can just look into my screen how the things has been set here. Okay. Anyone facing any problem? Especially Windows 10 people might be facing some problem. If you are facing any problem, let me know. If you are well and good, then that's cool.
I am Windows 10 and I lost you some time back. Sorry.
Correct. I know that, yeah, because Windows 10 configuration is quite different.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see system variables and user variables, right?
No, I lost you some time back. So I didn't want
Okay,
to disturb all other people, so I kept quiet. Is it possible for you to send me that step-by-step thing so that I can do it? I can look at it and
yeah,
do it.
you can do it. But are you able to, you click on advanced system settings. It's not a big deal.
Okay, then in that case we have to go back to this PC.
Yes, right click on this PC, select properties.
So I don't see properties there. I only see copy address as text, edit address, and delete history.
Okay, can you go to control panel?
Okay. Yeah.
So there you can you search for advanced system settings. There is a search option, just search it. You just type advanced, it will come. Advanced system settings.
Nope, I don't see. It's just system. Under system, maybe?
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
click on
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Click on environment variables.
Okay.
So now a new pop-up open. There you can see user variables and system variables.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, in system variables, there is one button called as new.
Yeah.
Click on it.
Okay.
Now you can find a button called as add.
Not really. It's a text box saying variable name. It's a text box.
Okay, variable name. Type it path, P-A-T-H, all in
Okay.
capital case.
Okay. Okay. And the value is the one which we saved last time,
Yes,
copied.
yes, which you copied. Yes,
Okay. And click OK.
yes. Okay, so now look everyone, you have to press OK. Again, there will be one more pop-up, press OK. There will be one more pop-up open, press OK. 3 times you have to press OK.
Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
For me, nothing came up. Clicking
No,
on the
no. Previously, which are open, right? There is a OK option in them.
yeah, I clicked on the OK. Then there was no
One
pop.
more, no, pop-up which was open previously. So where
Yeah,
you pressed a new button, right? That also you press OK.
yeah, I did.
And there was one more which was open for environment variables. For that also press OK.
Correct.
Then
Then
until all these 3 OKs are pressed, it will not be set. So that's why.
okay, now I get it.
Done? Okay. Open command prompt. Hope you guys know how to open a command prompt. If not, just click on the start button and type CMD. Command prompt will open and press enter. CMD, enter. Done?
Yes.
So now type Java C without space. Java C. JAVAC. Java C, no space. And press enter. Are you seeing any message called as Java C is not recognized as internal or external command, or are you seeing a bunch of lines?
I see a bunch of lines.
Yes, everything is perfect. So now your machine is ready to run a Java program.
Okay.
So anyone else is seeing Java C is not a recognized command? Masood, you are also seeing a bunch of files, list of
Oh,
lines?
yeah, I'm getting the file name of the files displayed in the.
Correct. Cool. Yeah, installation is done then. Okay, let the Eclipse download. Okay, Eclipse you need not to install. Okay, it is just like open and run, open and write. That's it. It's just an ID for running a Java program. We shall see that tomorrow. Okay, no worries. So, any other question, guys? Okay, cool. So then we shall catch up tomorrow, guys. Have a nice time. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.